Hey, beautiful learners. This is English with Shade Global. Excellence, eloquence, extraordinary results. Today, we're spotting the letters that make the sh sound, like the sh in she. Let's take a look at these words. Which letters make the sh sound? Shoe. Which letters make the sh sound? The SH gives us the sh sound. Also, we have ocean. Which letter makes the sh sound? In ocean. The letter C makes the sh sound. Sugar. Which letter makes the sh sound in sugar? Surprise! The letter S makes the sh sound. Also, action. The T makes the sh sound. So the T makes the sh sound in action. Appreciate. Which letter makes the sh sound in the word appreciate? The C. Appreciate. So the C makes the sh sound. Patience. Which letter makes the sh sound? The T. Patience. And lastly, inertia. Which letter make the sh sound in this word? Leave your answer in the comments. Did you learn? Keep learning and speaking confidently. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.